This video is going to cover adding new items. As you can see, we're in the Clover back end here first. We're going to add a new item. Just going to call this my new item. Price is going to remain fixed unless it is a variable product such as Kratom that requires modifiers and or modifier groups. Just going to leave it fixed for now. Test product, $10. Category name, could either pick an existing category or add a category, which is what we're going to do here. My new category. Save it. So we got category listed under here and default tax rate. You can remove these categories and add categories just like that. If you've got a product code or SKU number, you'll add it here. This is where you'd add modifier groups if we had them. Strain and weight. As for Kratom, which we don't have that here, so we're just going to go ahead and save this. And that's pretty much it. We can go back and review that with category filter, my new category, or my new item, $10. And then we'll switch back over to our Strange Clouds back end and go into Clover orders and settings. Once we're there, we'll go back to import inventory. And again, we can use import inventory, but that doesn't always work the first time, every time. So I just go to update all items. Which again takes a few minutes, and then we'll just do update categories in this instance because we did not do any modifiers. Almost there. We'll wait for that to finish. Okay, and then we'll just hit update categories. Just takes a second. Then we're going to go back out to the front end of the store to make sure that that took. Of course, it does not have an image yet or any type of description. So we know it's there. I'm going to go back into the back end again. We're going to go into settings again. And then for that new category, go to categories and items. Find my new category. You can see it does not have an image. I'm going to click the little plus camera icon to upload an image. And from this point, you can either upload a file that you've got on your computer or pick something from the media library, which is what we're going to do here. I'm just going to pick any random image. For now, we're going to insert that, and we've got a new category image. There's nothing to save here. And any new category that is created from Clover and imported here will automatically be turned on. This is how you can turn categories on or off. And we're going to go once again, I'm going to go into items and images. We're going to filter this by my new category to get to our new item. We're going to add and edit images first. Upload an image. We'll just grab that same image again and insert it in there. If we have multiple images, you have to add them one at a time. So I'll just pick another image here and insert, and that is going to show. You can change which one of these shows up front, which will be the default image. You can enable or disable images, telling it whether or not to show that image. We're going to go ahead and save this item. Now for your item description, what I've done, because this does not insert its own line breaks or any type of formatting, so what I've done is under Pages, I have created an item description here. So we can open that up, and this is something that I did before, so we're just going to go ahead and make sure we're on the Visual tab. If you've already got anything there, just highlight it and delete it. This way, this is my new item. There's a title or anything here like that. We can control bold, italic, anything like that. Paragraph, do we want it to be a heading type thing? And this is where it really comes in handy, is because it's going to do all of the formatting for you. Let's say we have a bulleted item list. We can't really do that in there without coding it directly. So all we do here is going to go list item 1, list item 2, list item 3, call at the end of our list, and this is more description with a line break. New paragraph, paragraph, paragraph. And then once we do that, we'll switch back over to this text tab, and you can see that it's generated the code for you. We'll just go ahead and copy that, and then go back into Clover Orders, Items and Images. We can just leave, we don't care to save that. Filter again by my new category, click Filter, brings it up. And we can do either one of these. I prefer to just add edit images because it brings up the entire interface. And then we can paste this in here, save it, and then we'll go back out to the front end to verify that all of our changes were indeed taken. There's our new category. It's our new item, and you can see that we've got all the formatting there. Actually, we didn't get part of it here. Let's go back. Back to Strange Clouds. Let's go back into Clover Orders, Items and Images, filter it down. Now what happened here is, if you saw on the other one, part of this new was on the line before. If you get something like that, you can simply add this BR tag, save it. That's just a line break is all it is. We'll go back out to the front end. Category, my new item, and you can see that it moved everything down to the next line, so we're good to go there. And that is how you add a new item.